Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of science and environmental studies. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as atmosphere, atmosphere, fear, atmosphere, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as atmosphere, atmosphere, fear, atmosphere. Atmosphere is crucial in sustaining life on Earth, helping to protect us from harmful solar radiation and maintaining the climate. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about atmosphere, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.